they were deprived of the opportunity of getting the material from Nizam present director, Shukul Sahib, to give us a chance. I think that my people are benefited from the classes, free coaching classes for Group 1 and Group 2 services. I remember the seniors officer, so a license officer came. I requested her to give some meeting and she gave instructions. I remember she said, she's pretty. For 7 months I got this job there at the license office. 2 months, that's more than enough. If your trade is good, they asked me, sir, why did she come to our college? Is there any inquiry? He said, no. Reading is there, hearing is there, but excitement. Go on writing, you become excitement. I remember our director of the Regional Center for Educational Development of Minorities have selected the best lecturers to give free coaching to the minorities for Group 1 and Group 2 their coaching classes. So this will be continued for 3 months. So I have requested my students to attend these classes regularly, punctually, and see that all of you get the best out of our teachers there. So that is my humble request to the students there. And above all, the reading of books will of no use. So you must also have somebody to teach you and to tell you what is good and what is bad. So I say a book is a dead teacher and a teacher is the living book. So always you take the help of a living book and see that you come up in life.